General Electric 100 lights, Super Sphere, Random Sparkle, Elegant Sparkle Effect, Clear Light, Green, whatever. It's a Christmas lights ball where every fifth lamp sparkles with brilliant light. One sphere. Well, about brilliant light, it's just a little only 0.6 watt incandescent bulb. 2-year limited guarantee, and the asterisk means that's some kind of a lie. Let's see what the lie is. Oh, the lie is so small you have to get a magnifying glass out to read it. This product is intended for residential seasonal use only. Here we go again with the 90 days maximum per year. This limited guarantee covers repair or replacement of this product if defective within 2 years from the date of purchase. And so the problem is you have to pay for the return shipping, which probably costs more than the product itself does. So there's really absolutely no point to use the warranty. 100 lights, 40.8 the watts, so it is probably even less than 0.6, I think, if I'm mathing that correctly in my head. Lighted diameter is 6 inches. Plug system, single end add-on fused plug. It had, I don't know if it still does. 2 steady burning replacement bulbs, 2 random sparkle replacement bulbs, and 2 3-amp fuses. Do we have a date code on here? Made in the China. Licensed under Nicholas Holiday Incorporated, so I think that's probably the OEM. And this is a copyrighted 2014, so there's a good chance this was made sometime in the early to mid 2010s. It's in multiple languages. These are pretty cool. I don't know if this one in particular is going to be, but I like these in general. I don't know why it needs so many documents. I think that the spare bulbs are no longer with us. I don't know why there are so many documents here. They're pretty big too. It looks like the previous owner had hung it somewhere with, looks like fishing wire. It's very thick. It does have a nice long lead wire on it. That's kind of surprising considering how recently this was made. The wire doesn't feel right. It's kind of almost a little bit sticky, kind of powdery. Oh, that's a good long lead. That's probably maybe around 2 meters. Probably 1.5 meters, or about 4 feet. Looks like it's in good condition. There's one bulb that's broken there. That looks to be a random twinkling bulb. That's about it. I don't see any of the things missing. These are the same kind of things that you would see on the stars back in the day. Tree topper stars. Alright, so there's just one bulb busted up, which we can probably just kind of tie the filament together and make it work for now. Actually, the shunt is still intact, so that might be fine. Well, let's plug it up and see what happens. It works. It's like it works all the way around too. We're testing at 120 volts right on the nose. And I'm going to start over because the power consumption is probably going to jump all over the place once it starts twinkling. 20.26 the amps, 30.5 the watts. Now it's 33 the watts, 35 the watts, 36 the watts. So it seems to be going up as the twinkling starts. Power factor 1, of course, because it's just the basic incandescence. Alright, that's pretty cool. This really should have been white wire, I think, if you were going to hang this. Although, I guess at night this would be less visible, so maybe that is the best choice. This would look cool with colored bulbs, too. Make sure it's not flaky at all. No, seems to be pretty solid. Okay, so this is perfectly working and ready to be added to the Christmas stash for new decorations to use during Christmas 2025, which will be here before you know it.